Hey guys.
So if you weren't watching our video, if you didn't watch our video before, we're making our a snack lunch deal.
Snacks/lunch.
Yeah. We made some drinks. Mine's grape. Hers is like blueberry. It's called ocean water
From Sonic.
Yeah. And then mine is a Skittles. So good. But sorry to hear background noise. It's our food cooking.
Yeah. We only have 4 more minutes of the
Yeah.
videos.
I'm gonna hurry go this way. So we're gonna make this as long as we want, like as long as we can, because we're trying to do a long video.
Yeah, and if we can't make a long video, then we'll for sure make another one about like eating.
Yeah. But we're gonna do skincare. We might watch a movie or two.
Yeah.
And if you guys, okay, I'm a fan of Fuller House. If you guys know what Fuller House is, if I figure out how to do comments, you guys gotta tell Brooklyn how good it is. She's like, oh, I don't want to watch it.
Yeah.
And
you guys could tell me on my channel. My mom doesn't know. In a group. It's called Brooklyn Queen Bee, no spaces. That you guys could go comment because there's some comments on my video. So once you find a video that has comments on it, then please comment.
Also, my cousin, she has a channel. Whoa. And it's called Kelsey Jasperson.
Kelsey Jasperson.
Yeah.
And it's just a photo.
Yeah, it's a photo of her, and she just got braces, so that's fun. But she has a picture and it says subscribe to a friend, and it's on Brooklyn. It shows Brooklyn's channel, so go check that out.
Yeah,
And
we're
subscribe
also
to
doing
her.
a challenge. Whoever gets to 100 at November 2nd has to. The loser has to buy the winner of their favorite snacks. So please go subscribe.
Subscribe to Brooklyn.
Yeah,
We have 2 more minutes, and yeah. Also, I've tried to I've been trying to post every single day, but I haven't been that good at it because I keep on forgetting to charge my tablet or to bring it to my dad's. If you don't know, my parents are divorced, so I live in Payson and here in Salem.
Her dad's house is closer than to my house.
And I'm mostly with my mom. And we're living with my grandma right now, and we're gonna move into a house we're renting it, and it's her best friend's house. They just so I'll tell you guys the story right now while we're waiting for our food to get done. So they had this house ever since their adopted grandma died. She was really nice. The whole neighborhood knew her, and they bought the house, and they just called her their adopted grandma. So it was fun for them. But they decided they were gonna rent the house, but they had to be. They rented it. It was perfect, all clean. They rented it, and someone that rented it, they lived there, and they had a small, tiny dog. And they actually, her boyfriend moved in with her, and he had a bigger dog, and they just let him downstairs. They pooped, tore up the walls, and all of that.
Sorry.
And okay, Brooklyn will go get the food, and then I'll keep on telling you guys this story. Anyways, they tore up the whole place because the upstairs wasn't really torn up, but the downstairs, the stairs were steep stairs, and yeah. So I'll keep you guys updated on that until we move in. And
Yeah.
give you guys a tour of my room. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we're gonna pause this video and then we're gonna do another video about eating with you guys.
Okay. See ya later. And I'll keep you guys updated. So stay tuned, and please, I'm not trying to beg you. If you can you guys subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 500 so I can do live with you guys. Or not 500. Not 500. 50
subscribers.
Yes, I can do live with you guys. So bye.